Hi, I'm Stephanie, the Director of Rehab here at Stuckey Chiropractic Center. I've got Matt here with me today. We have been doing SoftWave on his back for about a month now. We actually just finished his treatment plan. So tell us a little bit about why you came in, what condition you were in when you started.
When I came in and met with Eddie, I'd been having issues with my knees and lower back for about 20 years or so.
Really long time.
Yep. So we started treatments. He was adjusting me. Adjustments weren't really holding, and that's when he introduced me to Steph here. And within one SoftWave treatment, I was bending my knees and able to move like I hadn't in about 20 years.
Yeah, that's awesome. What type of activities was this preventing you from doing?
So the biggest one is being able to pick up my kid. I wasn't able to bend over, spend time with my little man, and it led to needing to change what we were doing at home.
Yeah.
So,
well, that's incredible. So what condition are you in now? How are you feeling to this day?
the best I've felt in easy 10 plus years. So
Nice.
able to pick up Cam, went out. We were having issues shoveling. I couldn't shovel my driveway anymore, put on socks, anything like that. And I feel like I'm 16 again.
Yeah.
So
awesome. What would you say if somebody else was in your shoes? Would you recommend this treatment for them?
Come try it once. If it doesn't work, talk to the team here. They do an incredible job. It's life-changing.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Matt.
Absolutely. Thank you.